Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Georgia, the weather is beautiful, and we're having mild weather right now, and it's just a beautiful day today. And so I'm making baked cream cheese spaghetti casserole, and I think this is going to be a great little dish for me and Calvin. I'm just making a half a recipe, and these are my ingredients: Parmesan cheese, tomato sauce. This right here is sour cream, cream cheese, and gluten-free noodles, and I am making this gluten-free today. And then I have cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, let me say that word again, mozzarella cheese, and then my spices is red pepper flakes, that's an add-on, then Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper, and did I say garlic powder, cameraman? Okay, so we're going to have garlic powder in it also. And so I have over here in my pot, my water's boiling, and so I'm going to take my gluten-free noodles over here, and I'm going to put them in my pot, and I'll be back in about 13 to 14 minutes. All right, I'm back, and while my noodles are finishing cooking, I'm going ahead and mix this up. Since I'm making a half a recipe, I'm just putting half of the cream cheese in. And Calvin will leave the whole recipe in the description box. I've already sprayed my pan. Okay. So now then I'm going to put, since I'm making a smaller recipe, I'm only going to put 1 cup of this in. Okay, that's about a cup. And I'm going to put about 1/4 of this sour cream in. Okay. And then I'm putting in my garlic powder, salt, black pepper, Italian seasonings, and the add-on is the red pepper flakes. You can omit that if you want to. You can also add a lot of different seasonings in this. You can add bell pepper, just whatever you want to make it your own. I think this will be really kid friendly too, and especially if you want to leave out the pepper flakes, but it won't be as rich. This is more of a creamy sauce. Okay. And you will want to let your cream cheese get to room temperature. I can really smell those Italian seasonings. Okay, I have that mixed up now, and I'll be back as soon as my noodles get done. Okay, my noodles are just about done now, so I'm going to go over to my sink and drain them. Okay, so I'm going to add my noodles into my cream cheese mixture. Also, you can add sausage in this if you want to, or you can add hamburger meat, but we're making it more of a meatless dish. Move this to the side. Okay, now then I'm going to put this in my sprayed dish. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put on some Parmesan cheese, about a half a cup. You can put on as much as you want. Okay. Now then I'm going to put on my mozzarella, about a half a cup. And now then I'm going to put on some sharp cheddar. Some of the different cheeses that you could put on this would be provolone, Gouda, pepper jack, and also you could put in some mushrooms if you wanted to. You can just make it your own, just put what you want to put in it. I'm making mine rather simple tonight and fast and easy for a weeknight meal. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes, but I am going to keep my eye on it, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and our cream cheese spaghetti casserole has came out of the oven. It's been setting for about 10 minutes, so I think we're ready to scoop us out a plate, don't you, Calvin?
I think so. I'm ready to eat it. It looks wonderful.
Okay, let's see. Does that look like enough for you, or you want more?
That's perfect for right now. That looks good.
Okay, I think I'll get me some now.
Even with you making this half a recipe, it'll still make us 2 meals, won't it?
It certainly will, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to a little bit more of these noodles right here. Okay, let's put us some Parmesan on there.
Okay. And I want a little bit of this dressing on my salad.
To make this picture really good, you think we have enough?
Enough food in the plate.
Yeah.
We can put more in if you want to.
It's up to you. It's your call.
Okay. This is don't have any gluten in it, so I guess I can eat a little bit more. So I'll go ahead and get a little bit more.
You can make your favorite sides. We just made us a salad.
And we get you a little bit more.
I'll get just a little bit
Go
more.
ahead.
Are you going to get a picture?
After we get through.
Okay. Let me have a little bit more of that Parmesan, please. Let's see. Let's make yours a little bit more attractive. I'm going to put this somewhere.
Okay, Marie, it looks great. You ready to do a taste test?
Yes, I am.
Can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
All right, we're ready to do the taste test. And Kevin's going to help me this time.
I'm definitely ready for a taste test this time.
And we did make this gluten-free today.
I love Italian food.
Very good.
It was a little bit hot, wasn't it, Marie? Physically hot, but it was delicious. I'm going to get one more bite.
It is delicious.
It really is.
I love the cream cheese in it. And the Italian seasoning. It's very good. And the cheeses. You can put your favorite cheese in there. We chose to put mozzarella and sharp cheddar. I'm not going to taste the salad because everyone knows what salad tastes like.
Well, we know you make the best salads in town. Marie, this is really delicious.
It is. This would be a good meal to take to a potluck or a weeknight easy meal for supper.
And you don't have to put any meat in it. And didn't you say you could put?
You can put sausage, you can put chicken, you could put hamburger meat in it. Just, make it your own.
If I was going to put meat in it, I think I would want Italian sausage.
Yeah.
I believe that would set it off just perfect.
Yes.
But I like it just like this. This is great.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to eating this as soon as you get the video closed. I can go over there and eat.
Yes, this is a real budget-friendly meal. Okay, so I guess we're going to close our video out now and eat this delicious meal. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And bye, and y'all have a great evening.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern country living, where love and life collide. Do what you love and love what you do. That's the way we live, and we're inviting you. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us.